Mashabiki ma ceceni ya Kameme FM oho niroreria Kameme TV makiria atangathi and the entire Kameme fraternity matigitwo magisaka ndeto yake hakinene iria ya kunuka thutha umwe wa gutungwo ni mutino muru riri mururungano uria utongoretio ni mumwe wa Gen Z uthiete na mbere icigo nyingi cia bururi a Kenya makiumira na njira nene gukumithia thirikari na borithi ni undu wa kuhuthira hinya mukirikuo making'ethanira na arurungania yaria marendekithia mutongoria wa bururi President William Ruto akorwo akirizaini wabici-ini yake na ndukihirie ni matungio nguraro cia rithathi na ndeto yake hani ati kuri na mundurume umwe wakua thutha wa kuguthwo rithathi ya mutwe live bullet ni mbirarwo mwena wa Kitengera riri borithi makuhuthagira tear gas kwaragania ndundu cia momo ya arurungania ya na riu kiha kinene ni kigumiria memerekia thutha wa report omwe gwikora hatika-ini nene haria mwandiki uyu ahonoka na nguraro njuru cia maguru mumemerekia Muthoni wa Kirubai wa mbere gucaka ndeto ino ng'enda-ini ciake na kuonania kiha giake ari reporter wa Kameme TV na Kameme FM uikaine ta Wanjeri wa Kariuki mwena wa Naikuru uria uthiete na mbere gutangikirwo thibitari-ini umwe mwena wa Naikuru thutha wake kurathukirio rithathi igiri kuguru-ini gwake. She has been shot by police at Nakuru while covering news. Wanjeri akihonoka na nguraro kuguru gwake mutino uria semania naguo ona thengia wake gukorwo ehumbite jacket ya media pressure, this being the saddest part. Borithi makiguraria mwandiki uyu wa mohoro na thengia wake gukorwo ehumbite matonyo ma kumukurana ta media personality giko kiria gikumithitio na njira nene ni nyumba cia mohoro ona journalist. Kameme TV igikira official statement concerning the same matter. Mwandiki wa mohoro wa ceceni ya Kameme FM na Kameme TV kaunti-ini ya Naikuru Wanjeri wa Kariuki kuhurwo rithathi ya kuguru hindi ya mirurungano. Muthoni wa Kirubai na other colleagues makiumiria na kuga it's so sad. Mutangathi wa mohoro wa Kameme FM wa Ngui wa Ndirango akiuga even though she was wearing a press jacket very unexpected. Gregory Sherif kama akiuga ikaya andu aya maratwendera atia tiwana maratukua live bullets kwani wanaenda kupigana na Al-Shabaab. Alexi Yure macho-ini akiuga so sad, imagine they shot her twice on her thigh and yet she was in a reflector to show she is a journalist. Wa Ngui wa Ndirango agithie page-ini yake na kuongera ndumiriri ino yake akiuga Kameme FM stroke TV na kuru reporter shot on the thigh while covering demonstration moments ago tukiendithiria Wanjeri wa Kariuki kuhona kwa Naikenya.